Everyone is talking about AI circumflex euros, but most people use about 10% of it. In the next 9 minutes, I'll give you the complete rush course on Claude, what it is, how to prompt it properly, and every major feature a circumflex euros files, artifacts, projects, voice a circumflex euros with the real interface on screen. Let's move fast. Chapter 1. What exactly is Claude, and do you need to pay for it? Claude is an AI assistant made by Anthropic. This is an a circumflex euros Claude AI. You type in plain language, and it answers like a sharp colleague. It writes, summarizes, analyzes, plans, and codes. There's no magic syntax to learn. You literally just talk to it. Let's ask it to introduce itself. And there's the honest answer. A writer, an analyst, and an assistant in one chat window. Notice the reply streams in live, word by word, a circumflex euros. That's exactly how it feels to use. Everything else in this course is just learning to steer this well. Pricing is simple. The free plan is genuinely useful, a circumflex euros same Claude, just with a daily limit. Pro, around $20 a month, unlocks far more usage and the most capable models. Teams get a shared plan. My advice, start free today, upgrade the week it starts saving you real hours. One setting actually matters, the model picker, right here under the chat box. Think of models as engine sizes. The top model is the smartest, a circumflex euros use it for anything important like strategy, writing, or analysis. The smaller ones are faster for quick everyday questions. When in doubt, just use the smartest one and forget this menu exists. Chapter 2. The interface, a circumflex euros. This takes 90 seconds, and then you know the whole app. The left sidebar is all the navigation there is. New chat starts a fresh conversation, a circumflex euros, and here's the habit that changes everything. One topic per chat. Don't mix your tax question into your caption chat. Below that, your recent chats, so nothing is ever lost. And projects, a circumflex euros folders for ongoing work. Those get their own chapter in a minute. The chat box itself has 2 buttons worth knowing. Attach lets you drop in files, a circumflex euros PDFs, photos, spreadsheets, a circumflex euros, and Claude reads them. Tools holds extras like web search for fresh information. That is genuinely the entire interface. No menus to memorize. Now the skill that separates amateurs from pros. Chapter 3. Prompting. This is the highest value skill in this entire video. Every great prompt has 4 parts. Role, tell it who to be, a circumflex euros. You are a marketing expert. Task, exactly what you want, a circumflex euros. Write 3 Instagram captions. Context, your business, your audience, your goal. And format, how the answer should look, a circumflex euros. A table, a list, under 50 words. Role, task, context, format. That's the whole science. Watch the difference. Write a caption gets you something generic that sounds like every other business on the internet. The 4-part version, a circumflex euros. You're a social media expert. Here's my salon, my audience, my offer. Give me 3 options with hashtags. A circumflex euros gets you something you'd actually post. Same AI, 10 seconds more typing. Here's that prompt for real, a circumflex euros. Role, task, context, format, all in 3 sentences. One more pro move. After any answer, just keep talking. Say make it shorter, make option 2 funnier, translate it to Arabic. Iterating beats rewriting every single time. And look at the output, a circumflex euros on brand, audience aware, ready to post with options to choose from. This is the difference the formula makes. From here on, everything gets easier because the next features are about giving Claude more to work with. Chapter 4. Files. This is where Claude quietly replaces hours of reading. Drop in a PDF, a circumflex euros, a report, a contract, a proposal, a circumflex euros, and ask real questions. Here I've attached a 40-page sales report and asked for the 3 biggest problems and told it to be blunt. Seconds later, margins are shrinking. One client is a dependency risk, refunds are spiking. That used to be an afternoon with a highlighter, and it's not just PDFs. Spreadsheets, a circumflex euros. Ask for the trend you're missing. Photos and screenshots, a circumflex euros. Claude can literally see them. Snap a competitor's menu, a handwritten note, an error message on your screen. If you can attach it, you can question it. Now for the feature that surprises everyone the first time. Chapter 5. Artifacts. This is where Claude stops talking and starts building. One sentence, Build me a landing page for my bakery, a circumflex euros heroes section, 3 feature cards. Claude writes the actual code in a side panel called an artifact and then a circumflex euros click preview. That's a real working page, built while you watched. Ask for changes in plain English, a circumflex euros make the button green, add a menu, a circumflex euros, and it updates live. No designer, no developer, no waiting. And pages are just the start. Price calculators for your service, interactive quizzes, business one-pagers, flowcharts of your process. If you can describe it, artifacts can usually build a working first version, a circumflex euros, and you can share it or keep iterating. Chapter 6. Projects, a circumflex euros, the fix for repeating yourself every single chat. A project is a folder with a brain. Upload your price list, brand voice, and key documents once, a circumflex euros, and every chat inside that project already knows them. Add custom instructions like, always write in British English, always mention our free delivery. New chat, 0 re-explaining. This is the difference between using Claude and having a trained assistant. The setup takes 10 minutes and pays forever. Upload your core documents, write 5 lines of instructions about tone and rules, and from then on every conversation starts pre-trained on your business. Do this today for your most common task. Chapter 7. Your phone. Because the best ideas never happen at your desk. The mobile app is the same account, same chats, same projects, a circumflex euros, everything syncs. 2 things make it special. The camera, photograph a document, a product, a storefront, and ask about it on the spot. And voice mode, hold a real conversation, hands-free. Brainstorm your week while driving. It's the same brain, a circumflex euros, now it just fits in your pocket. Final chapter. The playbook, a circumflex euros, what to actually use Claude for, starting tomorrow morning. Here's how working people actually use it. Mornings, draft the replies, captions, and offers you'd otherwise procrastinate on. After meetings, paste your messy notes, get a clean action list. Before signing anything, summarize it and ask what's risky. And month end, upload the numbers and ask why profit moved. Each one saves minutes, together they save your evenings. And here's where this thinking leads. The same AI that writes with you can also answer your customers, a circumflex euros, instantly, any hour, and even book the appointment. That's what we build at Remarketly, this exact intelligence, working your WhatsApp and Instagram while you sleep. That's the whole game, a circumflex euros, AI for your thinking, AI for your inbox. Quick recap, a circumflex euros, because you now know more than 90% of Claude users. What it is, the interface, the 4-part prompt formula, feeding it files and photos, building with artifacts, training it with projects, voice on your phone, and the daily playbook. Not bad for 9 minutes. Your assignment is one task: open Claude today and hand it something real from your week. That's how this sticks. If this saved you time, subscribe, a circumflex euros, one practical AI guide like this every week. And if you want this same AI answering your WhatsApp and booking your customers automatically, that's Remarketly, a circumflex euros, link below, free to start. See you in the next one.